What's up, you guys?
Well,
Back at it again today. What are we doing today, John?
testing the boost. See if we got any boosts.
Just connected his boost gauge. Gonna see how the car does, or see how much it's boosting actually. Sounds good though. That it does. It's 10, huh?
Can't go that fast. We got no latch.
Oh shit, I forgot about that. But fuck. So far it shows 10, huh? But yeah, you know. Why are you covering your face, stupid?
I don't want to be in the video.
Hey, well, you're already in the video, dude. You're like in 2 videos already.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Hey, Marco. Say, I never knocked to nobody.
No.
Come on.
Got the 8.6 over here too. Gonna be doing some shit to it later.
Nah, I'm good. I never knocked to nobody.
What are we gonna do now? We're gonna put your hood pins now.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's on the bottom. Like the very bottom. You gotta open it. Yeah. You got the little Impreza right here too. A lot of shit too. A lot of project cars.
It's pushing 10 pounds.
Alright, we're gonna go to store players because John lost the bolts for this thing right here. So we gotta go to the store, get some bolts, and then finish up this hood pin install on his.
And cut. That's where you don't want to cut it. Remember, you got to make a little mark.
Yeah, we got the bolts on, John. Let me see. Okay. Back to the house to finish installing these hood pins. Fucking don't move it. Don't you dare move it, John. Don't you fucking dare move it, dude. Oh my god, please, God, please, I'm asking you. Fuck, not this one, still this one. God, son of a bitch, motherfucker. Oh, please, come on. God, I know I've been a bad boy. I have no idea how this one's gonna fit in there, but maybe you're free. Holy shit. Holy shit. I found it. I remember doing something that the Mayans taught us back in the early 1700s.
They were from 1975.
That's what they want you to think.
So, where you're at from?
That's what that one guy's been trying to figure out.
Check out Electric Funeral Clothing.
Oh yeah, good. Shout out to my boy.
I
Mark.
mean, you're wearing the hat and the shirt, so might as well.
Oh, I love my boy Mark, by the way. You know, if you want to check out his merch right there, got the shirt going. You know, link will be in the description below if you want to go to his website. I did it. Hey, dude, you fucking both have camber. Ah, Dad. That's the only way it's gonna
Hey,
work, though.
fuck it,
You
dude.
can't even see it though, unless you point it out.
Hey,
So
you
don't
can
point that
hell
out.
with it.
Haha, it's
you're
on
both-
video.
Compared to that,
That's hella funny, dude. Your camera
flush.
on the box.
Camber life.
Hey, camera.
Hey, that's sick.
You're starting a new trend, dude.
Hey, dude, what happened there, dude? You fucked up. Huh?
Oh yeah, I moved.
I mean, don't. Just put a sticker over it.
Bro, that looks good.
You don't want to still.
No, I got it. I'm see.
How you did it though? Remember what Sir Thomas said?
Fucking hurt, dude.
What don't kill you makes you stronger.
I remember this one time. I was drilling a hole like this. I don't know what car it was, but I was drilling a hole like that, and I fucking hella chewed through the wire harness. I felt like a idiot afterwards. Let's see if that hood pin fits.
Was it your car or somebody else's?
It was my car. So I had to rewire it on. I was like, fuck, dude. It sucks. A little more?
Spray on the key.
That needs more?
Yeah.
Change some more.
It's a fat dude.
There we go. Cool. There it is. Hood pins are done. That. I did wash my hands. It's like, you know.
See? She even told you that.
Let me see.
Oh.
That mancha right there, dude.
Huh?
Let me see your fingernail.
Hands again.
Let's see your hands, Danny. Let's see your hands.
Let me see
I'm
your
not gonna
fingernail.
fucking dig in my fingernails.
Those are
You're
dirty.
not, so you're not gonna wash your hands properly?
They look clean.
You want? So am I supposed to go like this when I'm washing your my hands?
You're supposed to wash for like 20 seconds.
Yeah.
You should know that by now with all the virus shit going on. Hey, why are you spreading the virus, dude? What the hell?
I'm sorry to do that.
Yes. Look at that
Okay.
And
juice.
it came from the junkyard.
You're not gonna eat none the nuggets. You should be good.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh.
Marco.
Yeah.
You sure though?
I'll leave too.
You're gonna eat some though, right?
No, I'm gonna go home.
Damn, does that look good?
Huh?
Well,
Why? 'Cause it's late.
You are gonna be cinematic, bro.
Yeah.
So that way I don't have to wash out the bus and stupid shit.
well, these are good cinematics actually.
What's that?
These are good cinematics. I'm doing
Oh, I know.
the barbecue.
Station.
But if the pump out here, dude, you gotta go. You have to
Like,
do it.
like this.
And that's you being slow motion.
Yeah, huh?
Right.
It's gonna be in slow motion.
Do it. Do it.
No, I'm doing it now. Hold on. I'm gonna check that out. It's fucking gorgeous, dude.
Alright guys, this is a wrap. We'll see you guys next time. We're about to eat some burgers. Check it out.
There it is.
Peace.
Later.
Later. Oh, Marco Rini left.